Hello, my people. Now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As you can see, I sit there with my pajama. I just wake up. And people, wanna not laugh me if you not see this video. Wanna not laugh me, okay? I know say some people sabi laugh, but that one not be problem. I want you to say I do my hair. Let me fix this my hair by myself. Let me do it by myself. Me, I be that kind of person, before I no sabi weave hair. Even to weave hair, I no sabi. Me go out wo iwa to e ma bona muege. Okay? So, when I know say when you want to do something, that is you want to learn, you feel learner. You understand? If you want to learn something, you go feel learn. Now, if you not come from your brain, just leave and you not go learn. If you come from your brain, come from your head, say this thing I want me I do, you go do it. So now make me I can't they use my hair. It's not easy, it might wear there because when you never do something before, it not go easy for you. I can't they try to they use my hair. I don't mind who don't say I do want balakbala. I don't care. I go do one. When I do and finish, I'll put wig or I go put cap. I can't they use my hair. This was I think about before. I can't they try. But now my hand don't they good for the weaving. Yes, it don't they good for the weaving. I don't sabi like that. Before they tight. When somebody just start to they do they tight, it go make juku. I don't understand now. Some go tight, some go loose. I can't see they do and they go. So wetin can happen, my people? I can say this hair wey be say I dey see for online, something like that. I can say how they think they do all this thing. That people, but I not laugh me. I better not share this video for me. I try, okay. Wetin can happen? I can say wetin go happen? I get person where they do my hair. I get my baby girl. I get my baby girl. If I just call her Nana say can't do my hair, it go wrong come. Now she even they tell me say, mommy, me I can't do it. I say, well, I'm not fit. That thing just like no, it hand not the tight for hair, but for me to stay there, sit down, when they draw, it go feel like say they draw my hair. I don't know whether they do now, but I believe say now because of saying I not be person where they do hair all the time. You understand? So the thing go coming. The thing go just they come out, coming. I don't want me person they touch my hair. Me I to but me you book if I they touch my hair, it not they pay me. If I want to comb my hair, you can't see me out. They do one kind. So that one, she dey mama need always me I can't do your hair. Come here, I can't do your hair. I'll say no, leave her like that. I go the pack and they go, So now I can say, make I buy this hair. Now the first time where I did buy hair like this, sometimes if I want to do all this like this hair, I just buy the attachment, just do one direct. You understand? I can say okay, make I buy this hair. As I buy this hair, my people, now say I go look YouTube, me I see the way they take the do it. Whether it easy or whether it not easy, make I just buy like 6-pack. Now come buy 6-pack because me I never do before. I don't know how many they for hair. I say make I just try it. Now just to try. Now come buy and the hair come. I come to look and say, I be me I not do. It don't take away this hair come. This hair don't come since November. This hair don't come since November. I just keep her for there. I say make a day there. As far as I say I weave my hair, I don't put the cap. I just did go. I can say when I wash my hair, I can say no, make I weave her. I say I weave her. I can say make I do this hair. It no go hard. I can say like go inside YouTube again. Can look the way where they tell they use this one. Till they take and put her draw her. I can say I go fit do one. So I can carry one. When I put her, hey, oh, I not go tell you as it be. When I put her, he draw my hair. Oh, the thing can't even kukuma hang for inside my hair. I can say, I will consent me because I don't know. I never touch her before. The first time where they touch her, maybe that yesterday evening where they do this. The thing can't hang go. They can't say, who can send me message now? As I want to come out and they draw the thing, they draw my hair. And they draw the thing, they draw my hair. Now I can't suffer, carry and go back. The pin where be say open, it can't like do like this. When I can't draw my hair, can't come out. I can say, okay, if they want chukan for inside hair, they know they open now. No, say JJ say. They know they open now, chukan like this for inside hair. Then they close on. Close on like this. Put on for the head. You see? Then you go open now. Put the hair. for here, then you lock am, then you draw am. Oh my people, na so I take on learn. I come say okay now like that. Now I come dey do am. The hair not full, na see am now, e not full, but me, I like am. I like am. So that next time, if I want come do the hair, I know say I go buy more pack, because this one na 6 pack na be this one. So that next time when I go buy more pack, you know, like say na more pack, like say na 9 pack I buy now, or 10 or 12. Mona see am, mona not laugh me, e not full, but e dey okay. You see, you see, at least e go still let me dey carry like this. If I want come out, I fit put a cap, you understand, or I leave her like this. Easy, who they look me safe. Now only my husband they look me. I'll leave her like this. You understand, my people? So I just use and say learn. In case of you where be say you want still learn, try make you do one. You know they hard. I know where I made mistake. I know where I not made mistake. You understand? Because the time where it just open like this, that's why I put on for my hair. So me, I not can know the thing can't cover. It can't like do like this. I can't dey draw. The thing can't dey draw my hair. So when I come see and say no be so, you fair put on like this. Then open her, put the something, cover her like this. Then you draw very easy. That's why I can't take the draw. But sometimes it go still the chook. I not worry. I see the come out. I stay there where you see it still there okay. You know. Maybe next time where I want to do another thing now, I go no say how many pack I will come the buy. I know say I get hair where now. If now maybe some people will be say hair not too many, you understand. Maybe this 6 now go just perfect for the hair. So now this one I say make I show now my people. If you want to learn something, learn. Don't be afraid. Cross your mind, do one. It still be like that time when I want to take my driving license. I never hold steering before. I never enter car. We have fear where I want drive and go. When I just reach where the scholar go, they say make I sit down, make I come the drive. Now say, he say no worry, I dey here. Because the waiting there for that side, this brake and everything is still there for the other side. Hey, I dey shake, but I learn now. I learn now, I pass on. You see, cross your mind. Nobody tell me say me I go driving school. Now me cross my mind. I cross. I say I dey like people where they drive. That's why I take do one. So anything for this life, cross your mind. Do one. I never weave hair before. Me ma bonamwege. I know they lie. But now my hair I take start on small. The teeth come they go. Even this one, never even know how they take the do and they see them. Now I say make I still learn now. Don't be this one so. No matter say enough full. But like say maybe I get other one now. I use and take full if they feel inside. It go full. It go come fine. You see? So now be that one, my people. I just say me I just share them with you now. I never tell where I wake up now, All right, my people, thank you. I know someone go laugh me, say, oh, which kind of hair be this one? It's not bad though, But for me, I dey happy say I learn now. When I buy another one, because this one now I will live on like this for a few days. Then I'll come out. When I buy another one, I'll come no say yes. How many pack I'll come they buy? I'll come they like they arrange jam. So that I'll know with the way I'll take it, content they do. Different one, I'll come they buy now, they do one by myself. I be lazy person, you know. I dey very lazy to do something. But if I say I want to do one, I go do one. All right, my people, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. And everyone, bye. You way be say you want to take your driving license and you dey fear. No fear. Otutuiru way. Cross that your mind. Go there. Cross sound, go there. Some people then they fear when we go say, hey, well, what of a battle? Trailer they come. Trailer look bugger where we look bugger where problem not there. All right, my people, bye for now. One love, keep us together. Wanna share this video for me?